Hey guys, just a quick video. First time me with my face on a camera, and that's because of my new camera setup I'm trying out. And I have a little lavalier mic, and I'm hoping that will give me a better sound quality. Over the past few days I've received a lot of mail. 1, 2, 16 packages in 2 days. I might have a problem. As I always do when mail comes in, I just check the description and see if I need it right away. If I don't, it goes into basket and I'll make a postbag video. But I came across a funny description today. It's the funniest description I have ever seen on a package from China, and it says shoe deodorant as gift. Now, why would you give someone deodorant for your shoes as a gift? You don't do that. That's disrespectful. But anyway, the one I'm really excited about is from Australia, and it's from Sion, the unexpected maker. A while back I contacted Sion to see if he was interested in doing a kit swap, and he was. I sent him one of my mini amps and he sent me this. I have a project in mind. In fact, there's something printing right now, but I really want to open this up. So let's do that. So here we are at the bench. Let me get my trusted Stanley knife out. I have to be really careful how I open this up. Just make a little tiny incision over there. Let's see what we've got. Oh my. Oh my, oh my. Again, I really hate that knife. I really should get a new one. This is really well packaged. Let me get a pair of scissors, because that knife is really blunt. There we go. Let's rip that up, and there we go. Look at that. It is a Tiny Dev RGB LED driver as a kit. Oh no, no, that's gonna be all right. I like kits. Let's open this up. Very nice, nicely packaged. Anti-static bag. Can't get this open. There we go. Get this out of the way. Just toss it all out. Is that it? Oh, there's something more. There is a... Oh. Look at that. It's a pin out. Very nicely labeled, everything. Resistors, capacitors. Everything's color coded as well. Very nice. Nice little silicone bag to keep it all dry. There's the chip. An AT Tiny with a few resistors. Oh, look at that. They're all numbered. Look at that. All the resistors are numbered. This is 5, 2, and 3, and 1, and I guess this is 4. I got 2 little boards, 2 tiny little dev boards. Let me see if that will focus. Will it? Not really. But 2, in case you mess one up, you've got another one. Very cool. As I said, I have a project in mind for this. It's the Tiny Dev board and some NeoPixels. It's going to be really fun. So, Sion, thank you very much for sending me this. I'll be doing the project real soon. Thanks everyone for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any comments, suggestions or questions, leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.